My YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I am working on a Toyota Camry. And what I'm doing is, is changing the oxygen sensor. My friend came to me, just said to change the oxygen sensor for him, and that's right in the front. And this Toyota Camry, you look 12 o'clock, you go straight and you go down, and that's your oxygen sensor right there. And the wire harness goes all the way up,
Where you want me to go?
all the way to there. Put it right there, you can put it there. All the way to right there, that's where it goes. Now, let me put the flashlight there. So the wire harness goes all the way to there. So what we're gonna do is, what I'm gonna do first is disconnect it. Let me see if I can show you from the top how to disconnect it. Let me see. No, you can see it, but I'm gonna have to do it under, but I can't really show you. Let me see how to disconnect it. Now, what it has, the wire harness, what it has is a clip. As a matter of fact, let me show you on the new one, because I can't show you in there. When I go in there, right here, it's gonna have like a clip. All you have to do is just press it. Once you press it, you push it back. Now make sure that your car is not hot, because believe me, if your car is hot, it's gonna burn. It's gonna burn real hard. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna disconnect the wire harness, and I'm gonna put my, see if I can, I'm gonna have to use my left hand, and I'm gonna do is just press it. I'm gonna have to play it by feel. I'm gonna have to grab it, and once I grab it, I have to press it in and then pull it. There it goes. Man, that was. So what I did was, let me see if I can show you inside. See, that's right there, all the way in there, and it has the clip right in the top of it, right there. And all you do is squeeze it. You squeeze it and you pull it. You don't want to pull it too hard, and then it comes out like that. Okay, so now we're going to take the oxygen sensor off. Okay, that's good lighting for you. And I'm going to be using this socket, this oxygen socket right here. And what you're going to do is this. You're going to put this right here between the wires right here. Between the wire, and then you're going to put your 3/8 ratchet. So let me just take it off for now. Okay. Make sure you disconnect your negative battery. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this right in, like this. And you just put it in. And you push it in, right in. I believe that's a 22 millimeter. If you didn't have a socket, oxygen sensor socket, I believe that's a 22 millimeter. You can use an open wrench on it. So now that you have put that there, you have to hold here where you're gonna. Well, I'm gonna put my 3/8 ratchet right in. Okay, my friends. Once you have put the socket in, the oxygen sensor socket, you want to put the 3/8 ratchet right in the hole. And what you want to do, you want to come towards you. Now if it's stuck in there, don't try to like push it hard, because you might break it. Then you just want to put some WD-40 or something. So I'm gonna just want to go slow, because you don't want to rip it. There it goes. See, now that I loosen it up. Yep, it's loose. So all you do is with the ratchet, just go slowly, because you don't want to strip it. One more time. And there he goes. Got a couple of, there he goes. And here goes your prize. He got a Denso first time fit. This is the, I believe this is the part number right there, 234-9042. So what you want to do, because it comes with some of this anti-seize, just put some in there in the thread and put it right in. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in here, and I'll be right back. Once you have put the anti-seize around the thread, you don't want to put it in the sensor itself. What you want to do, you want to put it in by hand first. You want to put it in by hand. So goes the hole right there. So you want to put it by hand. You want to put it straight. You don't want to cross thread it. You just want to do it by hand easy first. It also has a washer. Oh, let me show you. See the washer it has? Make sure that washer stays with it. Okay. Okay, once you have put it in there, make sure it's not cross thread, make sure all that is even. You want to put the socket back in. Once you put it in, the socket, you just keep screwing it until it's nice and tight. You're gonna feel it when it's nice and tight. Okay, once you finish there, that you know that it's tight, you want to put the wire harness. And remember where the wire harness goes. It goes right in there. So somehow, I'm gonna see if I can show you. So remember, it was under the hose, so you keep it under the hose, the same way it was. You want to keep the routing on it. And then you want to try to plug it in. I don't know if I can do it with the camera holding there. Let me see. Maybe you can see me putting it in there. No, my friend. So what I have to do, I have to connect it, because there's no way for me to hold the camera and show you where I'm going to be connecting it at. But all I'm going to do is just going to press it right in there. On that one in the top, the white one. Okay? I'm just going to push it right in with both hands. I'll be right back. So the way I had to do it, it's much better if you take the whole battery out. If your hand doesn't fit through here. So I had to put one of my hands through here, hold the wire harness to connect in one side, and the other wire harness with this one, and push it in. See my hand? If your hand doesn't fit. But if you want to make the job a little bit much easier to put it in, take the battery out, and it's much easier, because then you can stick your hand in there and you'll save yourself some time. So what I did was I just connected it in there, and what I did was I screwed in back the sensor, make sure it's nice and in, that it's not stripped. I put the anti-seize on it, and here we go. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me at nonmechanic101 at yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101 at yahoo.com. Later.